Stop before you download another productivity app. Should Wisey be your secret weapon or just another overhyped tool that drains your wallet and gives you nothing? Let's find out. So Wisey brands itself as a guided productivity and self-growth app, helping users build focus, routines, and habit awareness through bite-sized lessons, mood tracking, check-ins, and productivity tools like timers and blockers. It also pitches itself as science-backed, using behavioral psychology and habit-forming techniques rather than guilt-driven streaks. On paper, it sounds very different from your typical to-do list or Pomodoro app, but does it actually work? Here's what some users say actually helps. Bite-sized lessons and check-ins help people notice patterns in their behavior without feeling overwhelmed. Several people find the approach less punishing and more sustainable compared to traditional productivity apps. Many users with ADHD or focus issues say it's more grounding and keeps them aware of routines without pressure. Customer support gets praised for being responsive and helpful when there are issues, but it's not all perfect. Multiple users report subscription and billing issues like unexpected charges or complicated cancellation experiences. Some people feel the content is basic or repetitive, not offering anything you couldn't find for free with other methods. Several reviews say the app can feel overwhelming or ineffective if you stop using it consistently, and others felt the productivity advice just wasn't enough to fix deep habit problems. So does Wisey actually help productivity? Sort of. It can help you notice patterns, stay mindful about tasks, and keep steady routines without harsh guilt, but it's not a magic fix, and results vary depending on how seriously you use it and what kind of productivity support you actually need. If you want gentle habit building and awareness, it's worth a trial. If you want rigid checklists or instant results, you'll probably be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.